Hi, I'm Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 4, Number 7, which reads, the number of rooftops with solar panel installations in 5 cities shown in the graph above. If the total number of installations is 27,500, what is an appropriate label for the vertical axis of the graph? So, always make sure you understand the graph as much as you can before you look at the answers. So, title, rooftop solar panel installations in 5 cities. We've got your cities A, B, C, D, E. And then we've got 1 through 9. And what you can see is City A has 9 installations. City B has 5. City C has 6. City D has 4. And City E has 3.5. Now, if the total number of installations is 27,500, what would you do if you need the total? You would have to add. So adding. And what we wind up with when we add these, that's 10, 19, 24, 27 and a half. So 27 and a half, but we need 27,500. So in order to figure out what the label should be on the y-axis, what we'd actually do is we would divide. So in other words, how much do each of these labels represent? And if we divide it into 27,500, you have your calculator for this section. If it were on the no calc math, move the decimal once here, and then you've got to add a 0 to move the decimal once to the right there as well. Then when you divide 275 into 275,000, just the wording of it would tell you the answer actually. But you'd have 1 multiplied by 275, subtract to get 0. Then you keep dropping zeros. Notice the ones on top of 5. Keep dropping zeros, and you wind up with 1,000 as your answer. So in other words, it is the number of installations in thousands. Answer choice C is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble reading graphs. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.